Welcome to this fun quiz. Today you will learn more about computer keyboard shortcuts. Let's get into it. What shortcut is used to undo the last action in a computer? It is Ctrl and Z together. Which shortcut is used to copy selected text or files? It is Ctrl and C together. What keyboard combination is used to paste copied content? It is Ctrl V together. Which computer shortcut is used to save a document or file? It is Ctrl and S keys applied together. What is the shortcut for closing the current window or tab? It is Ctrl and W keys applied together. What computer shortcut is used to cut selected text or files? It is Ctrl and X keys applied together. Which keyboard combination is used to open a new tab in most web browsers? It is Ctrl and T keys applied together. What shortcut is commonly used to select all items in a document or folder? It is Ctrl and A, keys applied together. What is the shortcut for underlining selected text in most word processors? It is Ctrl and U keys applied together. Which keyboard combination is used to switch between open applications in Windows? It is Alt and Tab keys applied together. What shortcut is used to open the Find dialog in most applications? It is Ctrl and F keys applied together. Which key combination is used to move to the beginning of a line in a text editor? It is the Home button. What is the shortcut for closing the current tab in most web browsers? It is Ctrl and W keys applied together. Which keyboard combination is used to open the Run dialog in Windows? It is Win and R keys applied together. Which computer keyboard combination is used to print a document? It is Ctrl and P keys applied together. What is the shortcut for italicizing selected text in most word processors? It is Ctrl and I keys applied together. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and stay tuned.